In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add symbols in MetaTrader 5 Market Watch. Before we begin, here's why this matters. The Market Watch window is your quick access list of tradable instruments in MetaTrader 5 on your PC. If a symbol isn't in Market Watch, you won't be able to open its chart or place trades easily. So let's make sure the symbols you care about are right where you need them. Start by opening the Market Watch window. If it's already visible, great. If not, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard, or go to the top menu, click View, and then select Market Watch. The window usually appears on the left, showing a list of instruments with bid and ask prices. One quick way to add symbols is by using the plus icon inside Market Watch. Look just below the list for a small plus sign. Click it, then start typing the symbol name, like EURUSD, AAPL, or XAUUSD. As you type, MetaTrader 5 will suggest matching instruments. Click the one you want, and it will be added to Market Watch immediately. This method is fast when you already know the exact symbol code or name. If you prefer a more thorough approach, use the context menu. Right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch window and choose Symbols. A new window opens with all instruments your broker offers, organized into categories such as Forex, indices, commodities, and stocks. Browse to the right group, click a symbol once to highlight it, and then click Show. You'll notice the small dollar icon turns yellow, indicating it's now visible in Market Watch. You can also double-click a symbol to toggle Show or Hide without pressing the Show button. This is ideal when you want full control over what appears in your list. If you're not sure what to add or you want to explore everything available, right-click in Market Watch and select Show All. This instantly displays all symbols your broker provides. It's a great discovery tool, especially when you don't know the exact name of a symbol. Just remember that showing everything can make the list long. So feel free to return to the Symbols window later and double-click any instruments you don't need to hide them again. That's it. Open Market Watch, add symbols by typing with the plus icon, use the Symbols window for complete control, and show all when you want to see everything. Keep your list focused to work faster, and you'll navigate MT5 with confidence.